You dash speak loudly in the library. Option C, must not, you must not speak loudly in the library. She dash drive a car when she was 18. Option B, could, she could drive a car when she was 18. You dash see a doctor if the pain continues. Option D, should, you should see a doctor if the pain continues. He dash be at home, the lights are off. Option A, can't, he can't be at home, the lights are off. I dash swim very well when I was younger. Option C, could, I could swim very well when I was younger. We dash finish the project today if we hurry. Option A, can, we can finish the project today if we hurry. You dash park your car here. It is private property. Option D, must not, you must not park your car here. It is private property. I dash visit my grandparents this weekend. Option B, might, I might visit my grandparents this weekend. You dash bring an umbrella. It is raining outside. Option C, should, you should bring an umbrella. It is raining outside. We dash wear seatbelts while driving. Option A, must, we must wear seatbelts while driving. We dash have taken a taxi. The bus was late. Option A, should, we should have taken a taxi. The bus was late. You dash enter this room without permission. Option D, must not, you must not enter this room without permission. He dash be the manager. I am not sure. Option B, may, he may be the manager. I am not sure. We dash leave early tomorrow if the weather is bad. Option A, might, we might leave early tomorrow if the weather is bad. You dash speak politely to your elders. Option C, should, you should speak politely to your elders. She dash have locked the door. I just checked and it's open. Option D, can't, she can't have locked the door. I just checked and it's open. I dash play the guitar when I was a teenager. Option B, could, I could play the guitar when I was a teenager. You dash bring your umbrella today. It's sunny. Option C, need not, you need not bring your umbrella today. It's sunny. He dash be at home. I just saw him outside. Option B, can't, he can't be at home. I just saw him outside. Visitors dash leave their bags at the entrance. Option A, must, visitors must leave their bags at the entrance. You dash leave early today if you finish your work. Option D, can, you can leave early today if you finish your work. She looks very tired. She dash have slept well last night. Option B, can't, she looks very tired. She can't have slept well last night. We dash pay the bill before leaving the restaurant. Option A, must, we must pay the bill before leaving the restaurant. You dash take some rest. You look exhausted. Option D. Should, you should take some rest. You look exhausted. Dash, you speak English when you were 10. Option B. Could you speak English when you were 10?